the ladder, but I'm gonna uninstall it and take it all apart so that you guys can see. Right now I'm using only 2 screws to screw into the bed frame because I didn't want to put 4 holes on each side onto the bed frame. But this bed frame right here is all made out of wood. So I got really lucky, so I drilled it right into the bed frame. And then the same thing with the bottom bunk. So this is all the wood down here. You can see. This piece is all solid wood, the same wood that's used on the frame to make the trailer. And of course I only used 2 screws again on each side because I didn't want to put a whole lot of holes in there. I mean, I could do 4, but I wanted to keep it minimal. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart for you guys and then put it all together so that you can see exactly how I made it. Now that the screws are out, you can just pop it off. And this is what it looks like. And then I'll take this all apart and then put it all back together so that you guys can see exactly how it's made. Okay, hey guys, so I am doing a tutorial for this ladder and I was gonna take it apart and then put it back together, except there's a couple pieces that are stuck, like this piece, because I've already primed it and painted over it, so it's stuck. So it would be nice to show you how these pieces go together, but since I already have a few that I took off, maybe those will work. Oh, this one came off. Perfect. So what you'll need, what I used for my length, is I need 4 of these L's. They look like this. And I'm using a 1/2 inch gauge on all of these. So there's different sizes that you can get. So I need 4 of these for the corners, 2 tops, and 2 bottoms. In order to brace the ladder into the bed frame, you're gonna need 4 of these. So these are also 1/2 inch, and you can see all of the sizes and the gauges on here. So this, the L, just goes into the round peg. It's like a puzzle, guys. That's all it is. So it just twists right in there and screws off, which is super easy. And then of course, the top goes into the long bar. I used a couple different sizes, or a few different sizes, while I get this on here, for my bars. For the top and the middle, these are 6 inches. And then for the bottom, for this size, this is an 8 inch. And then also same with this one. So 8 inch on those ones, on the steps. So it gives me a little bit of space in the bunk to get in and out. I also used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T-bars to put these together, to connect the side poles and also the steps on all sides. See? So 6 of those. So the pieces that you're gonna need are 4 rounds, 4 braces, 4 of the L brackets, and 11 straight bars in varying sizes depending on your space. So 11 of these. And then also 6 or possibly more, depending on your space again, and depending on your height and your width that you want to go with. So I used 6 T-bars. And all you do is you put them all together. That's pretty much it. They screws into place, and then you prime it. I used a Zinsser primer spray paint, and that worked awesome. And then I also used a copper spray paint as my top coat. Make sure all of these are straight.